Hi guys, in this video we will see how to permanently delete any files and folders in your Windows 11 and 10 system without moving it to recycle bin. Whenever you delete any files and folders in your system, it will go first in recycle bin. For example, we will delete it and you can see, open recycle bin, your deleted item goes first to recycle bin, from where you can easily restore it. So in this video, we will see you can easily restore deleted items through recycle bin. Now we will see how to permanently delete any files and folders without moving it to recycle bin. To do so, right click on recycle bin folder from desktop and choose properties. Here choose the drive and here you will find the option don't move files to the recycle bin, move files immediately when deleted. So you can also choose display delete confirmation dialog and choose apply and OK to save the changes. Now whenever you delete any files and folders, it will not move through recycle bin. Are you sure you want to move this file to the recycle bin? So choose yes, such type of message appear and you can see it will rotate through recycle bin. But you will have to select a correct drive. So display dialog confirmation, uncheck this feature and make apply and OK to save the changes. Now go to properties and select, we are going to delete from desktop. So choose C drive and choose apply and OK to save the changes. Now delete any items and are you want to permanently delete these files? Click on yes and you can see open recycle bin, it will not available here. Go to properties, you can uncheck display delete confirmation dialog also and your item will not move through recycle bin.